To find deleted Instagram posts, tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap the 3 lines in the top right. Then tap on your activity. Next, tap on Recently Deleted. And you'll see posts you deleted in the last 30 days or stories you deleted in the last 24 hours. To restore a post, tap on it. Then tap the 3 dots in the top right. Next, tap Restore. Then tap Restore again. You may need to confirm it's you via email. Tap Next. Punch in the code and tap Confirm if it asks you to do that. And once restored, your post will go back on the timeline where it was, and previous likes and comments will still be there. Nice work.